Hey there, professionals and career enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the ever-evolving world of work and help you navigate the shifting landscapes of the corporate world. Today we're diving deep into the future of work, exploring the trends that are shaping the professional landscape and providing insights to help you advance and excel in your respective fields. The digital transformation revolutionizing work. In this digital age, technology is transforming the way we work at an unprecedented pace. From AI and automation to remote collaboration tools, the digital revolution is reshaping job roles and industries. But fear not, as this revolution also brings with it countless opportunities for growth and innovation. By embracing digital tools and upskilling in relevant areas, you can position yourself as an asset in any organization. The rise of remote and flexible work. The traditional 9-to-5 office model is gradually becoming a thing of the past, with remote and flexible work arrangements gaining traction. As professionals, this offers us the freedom to design our workday around our lives, fostering better work-life balance and productivity. However, it also requires adaptability and strong communication skills to thrive in virtual environments. We'll explore strategies for succeeding in remote work settings and leveraging flexibility to maximize efficiency. The importance of continuous learning and adaptability. In a rapidly changing business landscape, the ability to learn and adapt is paramount. Lifelong learning isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity for staying relevant and competitive in your career. Whether it's mastering new technologies, acquiring soft skills, or exploring emerging trends in your industry, investing in continuous learning is key to future-proofing your career. We'll discuss practical ways to cultivate a growth mindset and embrace learning opportunities. The power of networking and building relationships. In today's interconnected world, networking has never been more important. Building strong professional relationships not only opens doors to new opportunities but also fosters collaboration and innovation. Whether it's through industry events, online communities, or mentorship programs, investing in your network can pay dividends throughout your career journey. We'll share tips for effective networking and relationship building in the digital age. As we look ahead to the future of work, one thing is clear: change is inevitable. But with change comes opportunity. By staying informed, adaptable, and proactive, you can position yourself for success in the dynamic professional landscape. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to embrace it. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential and thrive in the future of work? Let's embark on this journey together.